Hello, my name is Cliff McCoy, and I would love to share with you my wonderful results I've had with Stim Enhance Ultra. You see, I have high blood pressure, and I also have ankylosing spondylitis. For those who don't know, ankylosing spondylitis is a type of arthritis that affects the vertebrae, that causes inflammation that eventually causes the vertebrae to freeze up, stiffen up over time. Well, I've used Cerule. These products are exactly what I used. I used Stim Enhance Ultra to help my own stem cells be released to my own blood. I used Plasma Flow to help my blood circulation, and I used Cyactive for my inflammation. Now, I've used these for a little over 2 months now, and I've got to tell you, the wonderful results I have had is that I don't have the stiffness in my back I used to have. I have a range of motion that I haven't had in a very, very long time, and without the pain and the stress when I try to turn around. So this is a wonderful product. Just remember Stim Enhance Ultra. That's the primary ingredient. And my blood pressure, it started out before I started using these products to be about 180, maybe 190 over 90 plus. What the average blood pressure I am measuring now is about 135, sometimes 140 over 80 plus. But after a good brisk walk, I came back and I measured it to be 113 over 67. Folks, it's getting better with continued use. I intend to use this product forever. As long as they produce the product, I am sure that I'll be using it, and I can highly, highly recommend it to you. So please, folks, give it a try and see if it doesn't work well for you too.